Detail world, what it do, what it do, man. We made the first appointment of the day. We out here at TriStar Energy right now. They got me doing some fleet work, so they wanted me to clean a couple of fleet vehicles. But before we start on the fleet vehicles, 7 of those, they want us to detail this. So right now I'm working on the interior. If you see this door, it looked partially clean, but it was disgustingly dirty. You look at the seats, they are horrendous. See the steering wheel, things like this. Know what I mean? So it's gonna be a little doozy. Know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking in here, man. Cal already over there sweeping and stuff. So I'm just trying to get all the dirt and stuff like this out. Then we're gonna come out here and watch the exterior of the vehicle, things like that. So, you know, I'm gonna just do basically give it a great power wash, things like that. Cause there ain't too much I can really do to it. You know what I mean? Besides wipe down everything in the interior, but the rest of it's gonna have to be power washed. You see how dirty the door jams is and stuff like that. But you know what I mean, whoever had the van, he didn't really take good care of it. Might have to get over there and get that stuff out of there. So, but like always, man, we're gonna stay committed to the process. I like how they got this wall building. I really would love. I'm gonna take pictures of this and see how it's built, and I can see if I can get tired of building something like this in my van. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking. Like I say, Cal. What up, Cal? What you gotta say to people today, man?
Come on out and see it.
Alright, nah, but
we out here doing it.
You see how dirty this thing is, but it's a commercial vehicle, so we just gonna get it as best as up possible. We ain't gonna go in here and try to make it brand new, because that's gonna be highly impossible. You can see that this thing's been neglected over the years. You can see how dirty this door is. This is exactly how dirty that door was. But you see everything. I got the utensils out. Usually use suspects, so they finna go in. But it's supposed to rain today. It's gonna be a very cloudy day. That's the only break in the cloud I've seen so far. I'm hoping it don't rain. About an hour and a half to 2 hours to do this car correctly. They said it's supposed to rain by 2, so it's 10 o'clock. So hopefully we'll be done. We can get a couple of these fleet vehicles in. But catch y'all in the process. Hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, turn on all post notifications, hit the thumbs up, and we'll catch you later. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We just finally finished this big ass van, man. You recall it, it was dirty, it was hellacious, man. It had dirt everywhere, but we got it completely done. Oh, could you bring me a towel? I do need to wipe off these metal things, all that water got over there. But we got it completely done. You remember what the doors look like? You remember how dirty it looked in here? It was dirt everywhere, man. It was dirt compact everywhere. Even in these little grooves, things like this, and dirt all in these grooves and stuff like that. So we got it as best as we could, man. I mean, it's kind of hard to clean a vehicle like this, especially these utility vehicles, especially when they just dog them out. You know, they don't never really take good care of them, so it's kind of hard to clean something that somebody never took good care of. So it's like you got to come behind there and do Superman work behind them. But yeah, we finally knocked it out. And then we also did 2 washes. This exterior washes on these 2 cars. They had 5 more to do, but they had to leave because it took us a little bit longer to do this vehicle, so they had to leave. But like always, man, we dedicated to the process, man. We take pride over here in what we do, man. And I hope you take pride in everything you do, man. Stay dedicated to the process. Make sure you do your due diligence. Don't let nobody tell you what you doing ain't good enough. You feel me? Because what it is whatever they doing in their life ain't good enough for them. So, you know, stay motivated, man. Stay consistent, stay persistent, stay relentless, man. Make sure you following your goals, following your dreams. Don't follow nobody else's dreams, man. Follow what you want to do in your life, man. You only get one life to live. You only get one life to live. So in that process, try to make sure you do what's going to make you happy. You know, you don't want to live your life and have any regrets. You're sitting in the hospital dying, and you got regrets about your life. Come on, I should have did that, or I should have did this. So think about it. Write it down, man. Write it down. Put it somewhere you can physically see it every day like I do. And it'll help you see if it's what you want to do or be in life, man. You know what I mean? Like I say, I chose this life. This life they choose me. You feel me? I ain't in a situation where I'm like, oh, I don't want to be here. So I'm going to leave this back door open. Yeah, they think they wasting kerosene back there. It's hard to get the kerosene smell. I think it's probably soaked somewhere under this mat. There's probably some type of cotton material under here or something. It's probably soaked in that. So I'm not 100% sure. Pressure wash the clothes inside. And if it was anywhere in there, like in those grooves or anything like that, the smell would have came out, but like I said, we finished here. We didn't have to do too much grading. I'm not tire shining. Tire shine. Trying to see if he's gonna be ready for Friday because he got a few more vehicles for me. So hopefully those technicians here, and if he get the technicians here, we definitely gonna come back Friday through the other 5 vehicles, man. But like always, man, we dedicated to it. So you're dedicated today, leave a comment, man. Share this video. Share it. Just share it with somebody. Like I always tell y'all, man, share it with your dog, your cat. Somebody gonna like it. But you got these keys out here? Get one life to live, like I just said a few minutes ago. And on that,